In this video, we're going to talk about the 10 best ways to prevent bad breath. So let's get started. Number 1. Bad breath affects so many people, and it can lead to social and work-related problems. But the good news is, there are simple things you can do to deal with this condition. And the first one is brush teeth regularly. It should be common sense, but you would be surprised how many people don't brush their teeth regularly. This is the most important step because it helps remove bacteria and food particles in your mouth that can cause bad breath. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Also, make sure to use a fluoride toothpaste, because fluoride helps strengthen tooth enamel and prevent gum disease, both of which can contribute to bad breath. When brushing, use a soft bristled toothbrush to gently brush all surfaces of your teeth, including your tongue. Be gentle, because you don't want to damage your gums or tooth enamel. You should spend about 2 minutes brushing your teeth. And if you want to learn how to properly brush your teeth, watch our video, How to Properly Brush Your Teeth. Number 2. Floss daily. You should floss between your teeth once a day to remove any trapped food particles and plaque. Plaque is a film of bacteria that constantly forms on your teeth. If left untreated, plaque can harden into tartar, which can only be removed by a dentist. So, it's important to remove plaque and food particles trapped between your teeth, because they coo and be reached by your toothbrush, and they can cause bad breath. Number 3. Tongue care. Bacteria can also build up on your tongue, causing bad breath. You can get rid of these bacteria by gently brushing or scraping your tongue. You can use a tongue scraper or the back of a soft bristled toothbrush to do this. Be gentle when brushing or scraping your tongue so you don't cause damage or bleeding. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Bad breath can be caused by a dry mouth, which happens when you don't have enough saliva in your mouth. Saliva helps wash away bacteria in your mouth. So it's important to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water throughout the day. This will keep your mouth moist and help prevent bad breath. Number 5. Chew sugar-free gum. As mentioned earlier, a dry mouth can cause bad breath. A great way to combat a dry mouth is by chewing sugar-free gum, because chewing gum stimulates saliva production. And this extra saliva will help neutralize acids and wash away bacteria in your mouth. So make sure to chew sugar-free gum, because the sugar in the gum can actually cause more bacteria to grow in your mouth, leading to worse breath. Number 6. Avoid strong-smelling foods. Certain foods, such as garlic and onions, can leave an unpleasant smell in your mouth long after you finish eating them. Same goes for spicy dishes. They can linger in your mouth and cause bad breath, so if you have a problem with bad breath, try to limit or avoid these types of foods. Number 7. Quit smoking. Smoking dries out your mouth, which can lead to bad breath. It can also cause gum disease, which is another major cause of bad breath. Not only will quitting smoking improve your overall health, but it can also help prevent bad breath. Number 8. See your dentist regularly. You should visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. This is important because many oral health issues such as gum disease, cavities, and tonsillitis can cause bad breath. And if left untreated, these conditions can worsen and lead to more serious problems. So see your dentist regularly so he or she can address any issues that may be causing your bad breath. Your dentist can provide a professional cleaning that will remove any built-up plaque or tartar that you chew and remove at home. Number 9. Consider your medications. Certain medications such as antidepressants and antihistamines can cause dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath. If you suspect that your medication is causing your bad breath, then talk to your doctor about other alternatives that won't cause a dry mouth. Number 10. Treat underlying health conditions. If you've tried the previous steps and your bad breath still isn't going away, then it may be time to see your doctor. Bad breath can be a symptom of an underlying health condition such as diabetes, liver disease, or kidney disease. So it's important to rule out any medical causes for your bad breath. There are many medical conditions that can cause bad breath, so it's important to talk to your doctor if you think you may have an underlying health condition that's causing your bad breath. Now that you know the 10 best ways to prevent bad breath, you can take action and improve your breath and overall oral health. Remember, bad breath is a common problem that affects many people. Don't be embarrassed to seek help. By taking the steps listed in this video, you can prevent bad breath and keep your mouth healthy and feeling fresh. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please share it with your friends and family if you think it will help them. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about health and wellness. Thanks for watching.